Yo, what's good? It's your boy Unbox King, unboxing all the good things in life, coming at you with a brand new video that's a little bit different today. But before we get into that, let's go ahead and address the setup. As you guys can tell, I did upgrade a little bit. We will continue to progress as you guys continue to show that love and support and bring you that brand new content that you guys all want to see. Alright guys, so let's get into it. As you guys can see to my right, I do have the Kaws Small Lies. Unfortunately, these are big lies to me because they're replicas. When I first got into the art culture, I actually bought these off a third-party app where these were fake. So I'm here to show you what to look for and how to tell that these are fake. So first thing you'll notice, it looks pretty legit for the most part. You have the Kaws Small Lie at the top, as well as the illustration, just like the regular figure. At the bottom, it does have the warning label right there with the 15 and up. Then in the back, it has the warning label as well. But you'll notice right here, it's supposed to have the holographic sticker that says Medicom Toy. It does not have it. This right here is when I first noticed that this was a replica, and pretty much at this point, I knew what I had bought was fake. The plastic molding, it's decent, you know, it's whatever. The actual sculpture is a lot lighter than what you would usually get from the actual Kaws sculpture that you would get from the Kaws 1 website. Now this one, the color is a little bit discolored. It's not the same as the regular sculptures, and it's different. It's different, and you could just tell by the actual feel from it. And then we have the brown, and to show you the black now, I have right here. So here's the black one. Now same deal, has the Kaws Small Lie at the top, the illustration as well as the warning at the bottom, and then on the back side does have the warning. Again, does not have the holographic sticker, so you already know this one's fake. You know, it's the same as the first one. Like I said, same. The weight is off. You know, this one's a lot more glossier than the actual Kaws sculptures. They have the actual Kaws sculptures do have more of a matte black to it, and a matte look. So on the bottom it does have what the original sculptures do have. All these details are what I'm telling you guys to look for. If you guys aren't a regular Kaws collector or just an art collector in general, all these little details are exactly what you guys would have to look for when buying these type of sculptures. Now for the biggest lie of them all, let's get into it, the gray Kaws Small Lie. Last but not least, we have the gray Kaws Small Lie. Right here, same ordeal, is the same Kaws Small Lie. The illustration and the warning as well. The warning on the back as well. No holographic sticker again. And let's go ahead and see what big lies they have ahead for us. So, on the camera, it does look gray. On the camera, it does look gray. But like I said, if you see it in person, it's a purple. And it's just, a terrible, terrible replica. You know, these are not supposed to move like this. With a regular one, they move a little bit. It's a little tougher to move, but you do have the same mobility with the actual Kaws statues. On the bottom, you have the blue tint with the actual lettering. But like I said, I will be keeping these up just as a reminder to let me know that all good things come to those who wait, as well as patience is a virtue. This is not something I would wish upon anybody because, I went through hell just to get the refund, and that was just a process for me. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm here to help. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video on what I'd like to call Faws Small Lies. If you guys haven't checked any of my other unboxing videos on my channel, go ahead and check those out and let me know what you think. Go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe for any future unboxings. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.